Turtles, stop meditating. Come get me. Shredder is so scary. He has spikes everywhere, and he's always mad. I don't know how much longer oh shit, he's coming, I have to go.
Fucking rat! What did I tell you about appearing in visions? I am getting so sick of your shit. Tell me where the turtles are. Do you not see my spikes? Fine, hang there until you die. But remember, if you ever need to talk, my door is always open. I told you threatening him with violence wouldn't make him talk. You owe me a Coke. So fucking thirsty.
There's an itch I cannot scratch. Oh my god, are you fucking kidding me? Turtles, why are you still meditating? I am chained to a fence. I'm all sweaty and super stressed because I have not had a good tug in days. I am going to die. Come rescue me. Send the guy with the hockey mask, I don't care. They say that all fathers care for their sons. But you are making this very difficult. Stop meditating. Fucking turtles. Turtles. Turtles.
Well, shit. I think we fucked up, because I didn't hear a fucking thing, did you?
I heard these marshmallows calling my name.
You know you have to share those. Damn! I still don't know what a crumpet is.